Did you know you can cop a fine of up to $2,611 for honking your horn for the wrong reason? That's right. You can't honk your horn unless it's to try and get animals off the road, to warn other road users that your vehicle is approaching, or as part of an anti-theft or alcohol device. So whether it's a friendly honk to say hello to a friend passing by, or road rage, it isn't legal and could leave you out of pocket. Make sure to do your own research on Queensland's road rules. Accidents happen, even when we follow all the road safety rules. That's why it's important to have insurance cover for your car. Plus, did you know you can get $50 off a new Suncorp comprehensive car insurance policy when you quote and buy online? Visit the Suncorp Insurance website to find out more.